अब तक हमने इंटरनल कंट्रोल के बारे में पढ़ा। रिव्यू ऑफ इंटरनल कंट्रोल। रिव्यू ऑफ इंटरनल कंट्रोल में हमने नैरेटिव रिकॉर्ड, चेकलिस्ट, क्वेश्चनियर और फ्लो चार्ट के बारे में पढ़ा। आज हम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ रिव्यू ऑफ इंटरनल कंट्रोल ओवर परचेजिंग ऑपरेशंस के बारे में देखेंगे, जिसे हम कल डिस्क्राइब करेंगे। आज हम उसके कुछ पॉइंट्स देख रहे हैं। The objectives of review of internal control system includes to ascertain whether controls are in place in the process to ensure that accountability is established as early as possible at all points along with the accountability chain. Second point, whether segregation of duties, risk mitigating controls exist within transaction processing authorization, whether separation of duties exists between various types of transaction processing, whether the quantity and quality of goods and services received is documented and agrees with the requisition and performance expectations such as service level agreements, contract terms, and vendor performance, whether transactions are properly verified before disbursement, transactions and activities are properly authorized, transactions and events are properly recorded, whether accountability for refunds and credits are maintained, whether staff understands their duties, responsibilities, and accountability, whether procurement practices and procedures are documented and in compliance with central and state laws and other requirements such as contract terms and conditions, procurement records or authorizations and transactions are maintained in accordance with the established requirements, whether accounting records are protected from theft, obsolescence, or destruction, whether assets are safeguarded from loss through watchful and responsible care and reconciliation functions. कल हम इन पॉइंट्स और इसके अलावा परचेजिंग ऑपरेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे।